post Bahubali struggles begin. Bahubali made Prabhas the biggest star in India. Every single producer of every single movie industry wanted to cast irrespective of reason, and then he made the biggest mistake of his career. Saaho, a pan-India misfire in 2019. After the Bahubali success, Prabhas had a golden opportunity to capitalize on his stardom. Instead, he gave us Saaho, a film that was marketed India's answer to Mission Impossible, 350 crore budget, one of India's most expensive films, high octane action sequences, supposed to be India's answer to Mission Impossible. But what did we get? A confusing mess. The story made no sense. Prabhas was a cop. No, wait. A gangster? No, wait. Something else. I guess, I don't remember exactly. The VFX looked really outdated. For a 350 crore, they could have made a better CGI heavy film. Really. The dialogues were so damn robotic that it felt like ChatGPT has personally wrote them. The screenplay had more twists than a tangled pair of earphones. It was nothing but action set pieces glued together and wahiyat. The biggest problem? Prabhas didn't suit the role. He looked uncomfortable. His dialogue delivery was off. His chemistry with Shraddha was awkward. And despite being visually stunning, it was emotionally empty. If it was released today, it would have easily labeled as AI generated action movie. And box office wise, it barely survived. The first crack in Prabhas' stardom had appeared.